Hello students, I am your Ram Singh, present again with a new video and new topic, that is wildlife. Like its flora, India is also rich in its fauna. It has approximately 90,000 of animal species, as we have discussed earlier in the starting of the chapter. The country has about 2,000 species of birds. They constitute 13% of world's total. There are 2,546 species of fish, which account for nearly 12% of world's stock. It also shares between 5 to 8% of world's amphibians, reptiles and mammals. The elephants are most majestic animal among the mammals. They are found in wet forests of Assam, Karnataka and Kerala. One-horned rhinoceros are the others. Lands of Assam and West Bengal, arid areas of Rann of Kutch and the Thar Desert are the habitat for wild ass and camels respectively. Indian bison, nilgai and different species of deer are some other animals found in India. It also has several species of monkeys. India is only country in the world that has both tigers and lions. The natural habitat of the Indian lion is the Gir forest in Gujarat. Tigers are found in forest of Madhya Pradesh, the Sundarban of West Bengal and the Himalayan regions. So these tigers are found in these areas of Sundarban, West Bengal and the Himalayan regions. Leopards too are members of cat family. They are important among animals of prey. Himalayas harbor a hardy range of animals which survive in extreme cold. High altitude are a home to yak, the shaggy-horned wild ox weighing around 1 ton, the Tibetan antelope, the Bahral wild sheep and the kyang. Furthermore, the ibex bear, snow leopard and very rare red panda are found in certain pockets. In the rivers, lakes and coastal areas, turtles, crocodiles and gharials are found. The latter is the only representative of a variety of crocodile found in the world today. Bird life in India is colorful. Peacocks, pheasants, ducks, parakeets, cranes and pigeons are some of the birds inhabiting the forests and wetland of the country. We have selected our crops from a biodiverse environment. From the reserve of edible plants, we also experimented and selected many medicinal plants. The animals were selected from large stock provided by nature as milch animals. They also provided us drought power, meat, eggs. The fish provide nutritive food. Many insects help in pollination of crops and fruit trees and exert biological control on such insects, which are harmful. Every species has a role to play in the ecosystem. Means nothing is waste here. Hence, conservation is essential, as has been mentioned earlier. Due to excessive exploitation of plants and animal resources by human beings, the ecosystem has been disturbed. About 1,300 plant species are endangered and 20 species are extinct. Quite a few animals species are also endangered and some have become extinct. The main cause for this major threat to the nature are hunting by greedy hunters for commercial purposes. pollution due to chemical and industrial waste, acid deposits, introduction of alien species, and reckless cutting of the forests to bring land under cultivation and inhabitation are also responsible for the imbalance. To protect the flora and fauna of the country, the government has taken many steps. Some of them are 14 biospheres reserves have been set up in the country to protect flora and fauna. 4 out of these, the Sundarbans in the West Bengal, Nanda Devi in Uttarakhand, Gulf of Mannar in Tamil Nadu, and Nilgiris in Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, have been included in the world networks of biosphere reserves. Second step, that is financial and technical assistance, is provided to many botanical gardens by government since 1992. Project Tiger, Project Rhino, Project Great Indian Bustard, and many other eco-developmental projects have been introduced. 89 national parks, 490 wildlife sanctuaries, and zoological gardens are set up to take care of natural. Of us must realize the importance of the natural ecosystem for our own survival. It is possible if indiscriminate destruction of natural environment is put to an immediate end. So with this, our today's topic completes here. See you in next video. Thank you.